Want to display more products in a limited space in your supermarket or convenience store? Then try using a sliding door refrigerator. Apex Sliding Double Door Display Refrigerator makes it more convenient for consumers to purchase goods, and it does not take up too much space overall, making the layout of the supermarket more reasonable. Apex Sliding Double Door Display Refrigerator uses high-strength double-layer hollow tempered glass, which not only makes the display of goods clearer and more intuitive, but also is strong and durable, and can effectively resist the impact of external forces and prevent accidental breakage. Even in the busy environment of the supermarket, it can ensure the safety of use. The sliding glass door has excellent sealing performance. The sealing strip on the door fits tightly, which can effectively prevent the cold air from leaking out, maintain a constant temperature environment inside the cabinet. Whether it is beverages, dairy products, fruits or other goods that need to be refrigerated, this refrigerator can provide them with the best storage environment. It is equipped with an advanced compressor refrigeration system that can quickly reduce the temperature inside the cabinet and create a low-temperature storage environment for the goods. Whether it is a hot summer day or in a high-temperature supermarket, it can operate stably and efficiently to always keep the temperature inside the cabinet constant. Even if the refrigerator is frequently opened and closed, it can quickly return to the set temperature without temperature fluctuations due to the influence of the outside temperature. This stable refrigeration effect not only extends the shelf life of the goods, but also reduces the losses caused by the deterioration of goods for the supermarket. To know more about Apex, please feel free to contact us.